You have challenges. NASA has innovation and research to help. Unexpected events, such as a strong wind gust, can turn a wind turbine from this to this, causing major damage and expensive repairs. Researchers at NASA Langley Research Center have developed a wind event warning system, a high-energy Doppler LiDAR sensor that warns of severe changes in the wind direction and speed.
A rapid and unpredictable shift in the wind can cause major problems for turbines, but if you know the change in conditions is coming, you have time to react. Our system gives you up to 30 minutes warning to adjust turbine blades to keep them safe. In addition to wind energy applications, we're also researching this wind prediction capability for aircraft in the national airspace.
NASA's Technology Transfer Program ensures innovations developed for exploration and discovery are broadly available to the public. To learn more about how the Wind Event Warning System can help with your product development, email lark-techtransfer@mail.nasa.gov.